Minister wa kigina Henry Rotich augite ni marikite mutaratara-ini wa guthorima magesha maria makoretwo macungiriirio ni watho uyu undu uri ugite marathorima unyitaniri-ini na kamiti ya gutabarira mawatho ma kibeca neo Monetary Policy Committee.
Caps are short-term measures. They are not sustainable. But they have been imposed now for us to quickly move into reforming sector so that we can enjoy lower rates on a sustainable basis, because caps for a long time will really affect the economy.
Na ona gutuika no mwaka omwe tu warora kuinikirira kuma watho uyu Kuhetukio, Rotich arauga ni mararingithania watho uyu na mabengi mangi thiini wa gitaro kia Africa na niguo kuona uria mathenya maya mangithingwo hatari mweno kuhinyiririka.
We are trying to look at why this behavior. At the same time, we are also comparing ourselves with countries which do not have caps, especially our neighboring countries. We also see the credit lending to private sector as decline, generally in most of African economies. So it says something that probably there is a general phenomena happening in terms of credit lending. Of course, growth in sub-Saharan Africa has been low. That explains some of that. So in a way, so countries with caps and without caps are all in the same boat in terms of credit extension to private sector.
Governor wa bengi nene ya Central Bank Patrick Njoroge akoretwo athing'iriirie kuuga mbere ya watho uyu wikitwo mogaruruku he bata kugathikwo mitaratara iria gutigirira mabengi matinakorwo makihatiriria kobi na njira ya kugathika gicunji kia iguru makiria gukira githimi. Watho uyu wahitukirio mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka muthiru na ukoragwo wikiriire mabengi mihaka gukorwo magikobithia mbeca hatari gukiria gicunji kia 4% iguru ria gicunji gia 10 kiria gikoragwo kigathikitwo ni bengi nene ya Central Bank. Muigai wa Gathungo, mohoro gitau.